Hello, shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this video, we will learn how to say תפילת Shema Israel, Shema Israel Prayer in Hebrew. Shema Israel is taken from Deuteronomy 6, verses 4 to 9. And in Hebrew, דברים, פרק ו', פסוקים ד' עד ט'. The Shema is considered to be the most important part of the prayer service in Judaism, and it is a pledge of allegiance. These are the 6 verses. Let's read it all quickly so you will know in advance the text, and then we will read each verse and see the translation of each word. Shema Israel, אדוני אלוהינו, אדוני אחד, ואהבת את אדוני אלוהיך בכל לבבך, ובכל נפשך, ובכל מאודך. והיו הדברים האלה, אשר אנוכי מצווך היום, על לבבך. ושיננתם לבניך, ודיברת בם, בשבתך, בביתך, ובלכתך בדרך, ובשוכבך, ובקומך, וקשרתם לאות על ידיך, והיו לטוטפות בין עינייך, וכתבתם על מזוזות ביתך, ובשעריך. This is verse number 4, Shema Israel, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. And in English, Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God is one Lord. Shema here, this is imperative form. When you're talking about grammar, it's like, hey, hear, listen. So Shema. And all this as if we're talking to a man. All the prayer as if we're talking to a man. Why? Because. So Israel, this is Israel. Adonai, we say Adonai instead of Yehovah, Lord, because we don't say the name, just like in Harry Potter, the one that we must not say his name or whatever, right? Eloheinu, האלוהים שלנו, our God. In one word, האלוהים שלנו. More about pronouns you will find in lesson 13, and I will put the link to this lesson in the description box below. 1. אחד. So Shema Israel, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. The meaning of this verse is also about monotheism, that we accept the belief that there is only one God, our God, Eloheinu, האלוהים שלנו. Verse 5, ואהבת את אדוני אלוהיך בכל לבבך ובכל נפשך ובכל מאודך. The English translation, taken from King James Version, and thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thine heart and with all thy soul and with all thy might. Now let's see this in Hebrew. ואהבת, and you will love. One word, right? Because ahavta, this is you loved, but with the vav hahipuch. Past and present forms in the Bible, when we add this vav hahipuch, like it make it upside down, right? It takes the past and it makes it the future. So ahavta, it is actually ve'ahavta, like ata tohav, you will love, and not you have loved. Ve'ahavta, ata, right? I remind you, we're talking to a man. Et Adonai, we need this. This is Musai Shir. direct object. It's like when I'm saying I love you, I say, I'm a woman, right? And like I'm talking to a man, I would say אני אוהבת, I love you, אותך. I need this word. I love him, אני אוהבת אותו. אני אוהבת אותך is I love her. So this is direct object. We have the one that we love here, right? But we need this word, et. Adonai, right? Adonai, אלוהיך, your God, אלוהיך, האלוהים שלך. I remind you again, lesson 13, pronouns. בכל לבבך, בכל is with all. With all, כל. And together, one word, בכל. We lost the dagesh here. We don't need this because we have this letter before this. And so we don't need the dagesh. בכל. Your heart. Heart is lev. Your שלך. And in one word, לבבך, הלב שלך. ובכל נפשך. Soul is נפש, your שלך. Again, נפשך, one word, הנפש שלך. ובכל מאודך. מאודך is like המאוד שלך. Might מאוד, your שלך. And actually, what is the meaning here? The meaning here that we should love God not because of fear, but really love him with all our heart and with our soul, that we're willing to die for it. And this is why many Jews don't want to become Christian or Muslims. No offense, guys, I love you all, but everyone is entitled to believe in any God that everybody wants, right? So this is the pledge of allegiance. This is the 6th verse. והיו הדברים האלה אשר אנוכי מצווך היום על לבבך. And these words which I command thee this day shall be in thine heart. והיו, היו, they were, but together with a vav, vav ההיפוך, the past becomes the future. So they will be or shall be. And הדברים, it's like הדברים היו, right? הדברים האלה היו. But this is in the Bible, it's like poetic that the verb in the beginning of the verse. And this is the noun, right? So, הדברים, דברים is words or things. דבר is thing. Plural, דברים. And with the hey, indefiniteness, הדברים, the things, the words. האלה, these, in Hebrew, אלה, and hey, indefiniteness, האלה. אשר, which or that. והיו הדברים האלה, אשר, אנוכי, אני, I, מצווך, מצווה אותך. I command you. היום, this day. היום is יום, day. And the indefiniteness, hey, היום. על לבבך. על הלב שלך. לב is heart, שלך is your, in your heart. על הלב שלך. This is פסוק 7, number 7. ושיננתם לבניך, ודיברת בם, בשבתך בביתך, ובלכתך בדרך, ובשוכבך, ובקומך. let's read it in English quickly. And thou shalt teach them diligently unto thy children, and shalt talk of them when thou sittest in thine house, and when thou walkest by the way, and when thou liest down, and when thou risest up. ושיננתם, exactly, והיפוך, שיננת אותם, ושיננתם, so you will teach, repeat, memorize. It's from the verb לשנן, שין נון נון. So, ושיננת אותם, לבניך, לבנים שלך, to your sons. ודיברת אותם, again, והיפוך, ודיברת, ודיברת, ופלוס דיברת אותם. It's from the verb לדבר, דיבר, דלת בית ריש. To speak, to talk, you will talk. בם, unto. ושיננתם ודיברת בם, we're talking about the things that God said, right? You remember? So, ושיננת את הדברים, ודיברת את הדברים, the thing, right? Okay, let's continue. בשבתך, כשאתה יושב, when you sit, that's from the verb לשבת. שבתך, you understand that there is the pronouns. כשאתה יושב. בביתך, in your house. בית, it's house, שלך, your. בביתך is בבית שלך. When you walk, like every time, wherever you are, what you do, you always think about the things, הדברים. So when you walk, בלכתך, כשאתה הולך, the verb ללכת, and we understand, אתה הולך, כשאתה הולך. On the way is דרך, בדרך, together, בדרך, on the way. When you lie down, בשוכבך, כשאתה שוכב, from the verb לשכב, whenever, that's the whenever, what you do. כשאתה שוכב, lie down is לשכב. When you rise, כשאתה קם, לקום, this is the verb, בקומך, כשאתה קם, בשבתך, בביתך, בלכתך, בדרך, בשוכבך, בקומך. Alright? פסוק ח', number 8, וקשרתם לאות על ידיך, והיו לטוטפות בין עינייך, and thou shalt bind them for a sign upon thine hand, and they shall be as frontlets between thine eyes. וקשרתם, ו' plus קשרת אותם, but in one word, and this is והיפוך, so you will bind them. וקשרת אותם. It's from the verb לקשור. קוף שין ריש, לקשור וקשרת. וקשרתם, קשרת אותם. לאות, sign. אות is sign. It's like to a sign. לאות, on your hand. על ידיך, על היד שלך. יד is hand, שלך is your. תוטפות. So what is תוטפות? We don't have a photo, so nobody knows. But maybe it was some kind of amulet, good luck charm, that you put on your forehead. So frontlets, this is plural, תוטפות, and singular is תוטפת. Between, בין, your eyes, עינייך, העיניים שלך. Eyes is עיניים, your שלך. The last verse, pasuk tet, 9, and thou shalt write them upon the posts of thy house, and on thy gates, וכתבתם על מזוזות ביתך ובשעריך. וכתבתם, ו' plus כתבת אותם, וכתבתם, you will write, on the mezuzot. Mezuzah, it's something that in Jewish ritual, something that we put on the doorpost. Al mezuzot, and singular mezuzah. Your house, ביתך, הבית שלך. Bait is home or house. Your gates, בשעריך. It's בשערים שלך, and together בשעריך. בשעריך. And now I hope, hoffentlich, we understand the Shema Israel prayer, and let's read it again. This time, read it with me. Shema Israel, אדוני אלוהינו, אדוני אחד. ואהבת את אדוני אלוהיך בכל לבבך, ובכל נפשך, ובכל מאודך. והיו הדברים האלה אשר אנוכי מצווך היום על לבבך, ושיננתם לבניך, ודיברת בם, בשבתך בביתך, ובלכתך בדרך, ובשוכבך ובקומך, וקשרתם לאות על ידיך, והיו לטוטפות בין עינייך, וכתבתם על מזוזות ביתך ובשעריך. This is so dramatic. So after this Shema, Shim'u li, hear me, Shim'u li, I wish you, אני מאחלת לכם, to you, a lovely day, יום נהדר, a great day, יום נהדר. And I will see you soon. להתראות בקרוב, להתראות בסרטון הבא.